1. Download the Voter Helpline app on your phone. Step 2. Click on the Login or Register Now button on the homepage and create an account. Step 3. Once you've logged in, register as a new elector or voter. Step 4. Now select Voter Registration. In the pop-up menu that appears, select New Voter Registration, Form 6. Step 5. Select your state, district and constituency. Step 6. Fill in your date of birth and upload a self-attested copy of any one of the listed documents. Step 7. Fill in the remaining details and upload a photograph of yourself. Step 8. Verify your details and click on Submit. Your application will be processed and you will get a confirmation message with a reference ID.
അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടിന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്തതുപോലെ നിങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം.